Water, the lifeblood of any farm or garden. But getting it there efficiently, that's the real challenge. In our latest post, we explore how choosing the right irrigation pump can save you time, reduce waste, and improve crop health. Need more pressure? Use a booster pump. Pulling from deep underground? Try a well pump. Working off a pond or lake? We've got a lake irrigation solution, and it's not just about choosing, it's about sustaining. A few best practices can extend your pump's life and performance. Clean your inlets, clear debris often, and inspect regularly. Simple steps that now pay off later. Imagine a system that waters evenly, wastes less, and keeps your crops thriving all season long. Want help picking the right pump for your land? Head over to our blog at eddypump.com and unlock smarter irrigation today.